Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fidance token. Ticker symbol is FDC. This token is about to be listed on a central exchange September 22nd, which is 2 days from now. Today is the 20th when I'm recording this video, so we're going to let you know here how you can get this token in just 1 second. And the info on this token. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Fidance token. So it says trading opens for this token 15 hours UTC time, September 22nd. On Mexc Global, and that was just announced 11 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. So basically, if you wanted to get this token and you don't have an Mexc account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with the USDT, and then on September 22nd, you go into the trade section. You would search FDC, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So if you want to find their Twitter, you'd go over to @Fidance, and Fidance is spelled with 2 E's. So FIDANCEE. That's their Twitter. But the token only has one name in it, or sorry, one E in it, in the name. So their Twitter just joined in July 2022, and they already have 33,000 Twitter followers. And yeah, their latest tweet too is talking about their Mexc Global listing. It says, join the fun now. It says, Fidance is a play-to-earn NFT blockchain game in the metaverse that will allow investors the ability to own assets, participate in metaverse dance games, and more. Yeah, let's play-to-earn dance games, kind of like Dance Dance Revolution or Let's Dance or whatever, all those games. It looks like they have a full CertiK audit. The first thing that pops up is a huge Fidance listing on Mexc Global thing, so that's cool. Yeah, CertiK on board, it says, so I guess that's coming in the future. Then we got Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, how to buy, full white paper, game section. So much info on here, token info, play to earn stuff. So yeah, the white paper seems to be 10 pages long. They got a legal disclaimer on there. So Fidance is a play-to-earn NFT blockchain game in the metaverse that will allow investors the ability to own assets, participate in metaverse dance games, buy NFTs, and much more, combining a multi-billion-dollar business, a fully verifiable blockchain, and unlimited earning potential due to the NFT and decentralized community participation. There are no limits to growth in Fidance. It says Fidance is fully audited by CertiK, so that's great. I mean, it says that again on their white paper, just so you know. So they have the Fidance Swap, which is like Pancake Swap, but they have their very own one. So they have the play to earn feature. Fidance crypto players holders will enjoy first impressions of the game in the near future. The NFT holder can use their assets and play in the in-game to win rewards, including FDC tokens and valuable NFT assets. Android and iOS versions are available by Q2 2023. So yeah, not anytime soon. You gotta wait a little bit for that. So tokenomics, it says huge NFT lineup with accessories to support the Fidance game. Full play-to-earn game development, best 2022 play-to-earn. Giveaway rewards on a daily basis and in-house swap hub technology, Fidance Swap. All future developments is made with pre-allocated tokens. Trade FDCs with ease, no tax for life. So there is no tax on this token if you are going to buy it off PancakeSwap. So yeah, FDCs, the ticker symbol, max total supply is 1 trillion tokens. It's a BEP20 token. And the roadmap here, they're starting with website launched, then the FDC token created, getting audited. So that's the CertiK audit, I assume there. Marketing campaigns, 50,000 community members, media coverage, IEO on Bitmart, listed on Bitmart, so that was their first listing. Play to earn game released, Fidance swap, launch on PancakeSwap, NFT collection, airdrop campaigns, burn events, NFT game implementation, and then now they're getting the Mexc global listing there. So I'm sure they'll expand that roadmap too as well in the futures. Then we have media and partners. So we got PancakeSwap as a partner, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CertiK, Watcher Guru, CoinSniper.net, CoinTopolis.net, Tech Audit, CoinHunters, CoinHigh, CoinAlpha, Fresh Coins, CoinDiscovery, GemFinder, CoinVote, and CoinMooner. And now we got, of course, Mexc Global. So it looks like they actually have 2 different audits. I see at the bottom of the page they have a tech audit and they have a CertiK audit. They have a link to the game, Medium articles, all that type of stuff that I mentioned earlier. So yeah, let me click on their Twitter here, see what's going on there. So their Twitter, Mexc Global listing. So looks like they do have a trade mining competition too on Mexc Global. It says head on over to the innovation zone. There is 30 million FDC up for grabs, and then they have a how to enter button that you could check out and try to get some of these tokens here. So I'm just going to go over that a little bit here. So to celebrate the launch of FDC on Mexc, the FDC team will host a trade mining event exclusively for Mexc users. There will be a total of 30 million tokens in FDC up for grabs. Then they have the event period going from the 23rd to the 25th and certain times. The total prize pool distributed equally over each day of the event period. Users can trade FDC to share a daily prize pool of 15 million FDC in proportion to the total amount of FDC traded for the day. The effective trading volume will be calculated at a certain time. Rewards will be calculated on a daily basis and issued to the user's account on the following day. So they have a daily reward calculation, all that type of stuff, and you can see that on Mexc Global's Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Fidance token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.